Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing, as of the title, I'm going to be doing a quick everyday go-to glammed makeup look with just one affordable palette. So this palette I've been playing a lot with more recently, and I've been really enjoying it every single time I use it. But this is the look I came up with to do my quick go-to out the door. But I don't want to look like, oh, that girl got ready super quick, so she barely did anything. No, I did get ready really quick, but you can't really tell that. So that is my plan with this. And yeah, I also wanted to switch it up. You could definitely go with the nude lip if you prefer, but I wanted to add a little more pop of color and a little bit more to the glam, so I threw on a red lip. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. Alrighty, so has things already started off, my eyes are already tight lined and waterlined. So for the palette we are going to go into is the ColourPop, again, New Year, still can't pronounce it. And this has been my favorite go-to palette recently for the past, I want to say month and a half or maybe month. But anyways, I've been really playing with this more, but browns are my go-tos, and this is my everyday go-to as of recently. And this, I love it because yes, you can do an easy quick go-to, simple boom out the door, but the look that I'm going to be doing is, it looks really like glamified for an everyday, which I love that, but it's super quick. So anyways, so to get started, I am using this Farrah 35E blending brush, and I'm going to use this as my first shade. And two things that I've been doing differently lately is my eyes, as you can tell, they're kind of creasing. It is not set, and I've also been blending differently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my mirror up here first. So the way that I've been blending now for this especially is, let me get my sponge in, do that real quick, is I'm going vertically. So I'm starting here and just really blending outward, but I have the shade there already. And I'm keeping about this much untouched because that's where we're gonna put the lighter shimmery shade, and that is that. So the next shade I'm going into is that one, which is Nip Slip, if I'm right. Yeah, so that one I am going to put right behind it with the same brush, but towards the center part now, and just blending this again outwards, and just packing a little bit more on at a time while blending. So you can see a little bit of how the transition is going. And again, put this as however pigmented as you would like. And the good part is with the same brush, you could just go back into the first shade and just kind of haze it back over. And then you can bring some of that color back. So the second brush and third shade we are using is that dark brown with the little glitters in it, which is Hot Bod. And the thing that I've been doing differently is, normally I wouldn't go for that shade because again, it's sparkly, and I don't know, I just wouldn't normally put that on the outer corner or anything like that, but we're doing it and I've been loving it a lot. So we're going into there and dabbing it first on the outer part and bringing it in just a little bit, and then now blending it, but just keeping it still on that outer part. So we have that going. And this I'm bringing out a little bit more. And we have that. So going back into that second shade we did to really just blend it out more. So we have that now in the first shade. Again, just using that to blend everything out. So that is what we have. And for the inner corner, I am going to go into that shade right there, which is Flasher. And I'm just picking up a flat brush, and then we just put that starting in the inner corner and slightly bringing up, mainly following this part of your nose and inner eye, and just slightly bring it onto the lid just a little bit, and then blend whatever outward. And I like to just go a little bit more like that. And then I want to get a smaller brush. I'm just going to go in with a very small blending brush and going into that first shade and just slightly blending it over into there. And I like it because it's more on the matte side, but you definitely have a little bit of sheen in there, so I think it looks really nice. Okay, to do the bottom, I'm going to go in with that darkest shade that we used, and I'm going to put this all along the lower lash line. And smudge it down just a little. Like that. And then I'm using a really tiny blending brush now and mixing those first and second shades together and really just blending that all out on the bottom. And then now going back into that flat shade with that light color, and I'm just bringing this down and in. So we have that. So right now I'm going to finish up the other eye, do my eyeliner and mascara, then we'll be right back to finish up the eyes and the lips. Alrighty, so my eyeliner and mascara is already on, and so now to finish up the eyes, and all we gotta really do is highlight the brow bone. And since this look is also just a one palette look, don't mind my dogs, they all came in here now. But to go in with that shade that we did with the lighter one, we're gonna go ahead and throw this on the brow bone. And keep it simple. So that is what we have. And for lips, for this, since the eyes are done, you can, this is the best part about this look, is you can use whatever lip color you want and prefer. This one I'm going to just, I would probably go with the nude, but Frankie, come here. Frankie wants to go ahead and join us today, obviously. Huh? You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, sit down. But we all definitely know what a nude lip looks like, so let's just pop some color, and we're just going to go ahead and do a red lip. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the LA Girl Relentless Red, and I'm going to go ahead and line. And now I'm going to go in with the Tardiest lip paint in the shade Cheerleader. Okay, and to set my face, I'm just going to use the Ulta Beauty's Moisturizing Primer Spray. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it helps you guys out to definitely find an everyday go-to one palette makeup look that is affordable, but it also looks like you definitely put a lot of time into your eyeshadow. But this look is so quick, it doesn't even have to be perfect because there's no cut creases, there's no glitter line or anything you have to do. Just hurry up and just blend it together. You definitely have the shades peeking through, and you don't have to worry about where did I set this color. It's all right here. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it otherwise, but if you did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because that would mean a lot to me. And with all of that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.